Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Electric Pressure Washer New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best electric pressure washer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this electric pressure washer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Suyncll SPX 3000 BLK 2030 Max Psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer, black. Powerful motor, powerful 5 amp 1800 watt motor, generates up to 2030 Psi 1. 76 GPM for maximum cleaning power, and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatile, tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. TSS, Total Stop System. Automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Quick Connect Spray Tips. 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips: 0, 0, 15, 0, 25, 0, 40, 0 and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks.
Top 9.
MR Alliance 3600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer 2.6 GPM Power Washer 1800 W High Pressure Washer Cleaner Machine with 4 interchangeable nozzle and hose reel. Best for cleaning patio, garden, yard. Powerful Pressure Washer. This power washer built-in powerful 1800 watt motor to generate up to 3600 PSI water pressure at 2.4 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Powered using an air-cooled industrial motor, and the power will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Electric pressure washer make cleaning easy. Our high-pressure washer tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, cars, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. Very easy to tackle different cleaning projects. Delivers a higher cleaning performance and uniform cleaning results. This electric power washer can remove even the most stubborn and encrusted dirt, gunk, oil, rust within seconds. Quickly, easily, to help you create a clean and pleasant living environment.
Top 8.
Suyncll SPX 3001 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 AMP electric pressure washer with hose reel. Green. Powerful motor. Powerful 5 amp 1800 watt motor, generates up to 2030 PSI/1. 76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Quick Connect Spray Tips. 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips: 0, 15, 25, 40, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Onboard reel. Onboard reel keeps 20 FT, 6M, high-pressure hose organized for quick and easy cleanup and storage. TSS, Total Stop System. Automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Detergent tank. Extra large onboard 6 FLOs, 12L, detergent tank.
Top 7.
3800 PSI electric pressure washer, 3.0 GPM electric power washer, 2000 W high pressure washer with hose reel for cleaning cars, houses, driveways, fences, patios, garden. Blue. Professional and powerful 2000 W motor, generates up to 3800 Psi. 3.0 GPM for maximum cleaning power, and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Solve various cleaning tasks: houses, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, terraces, lawn equipment, etc. Very easy to deal with different cleaning problems. 5 nozzles: 0, 0, 15, 0, 25, 0, 40, 0 and black nozzle for low pressure or soap. To meet the cleaning needs of different pressures, it is suitable for almost all cleaning. Please choose the most suitable nozzle according to your specific needs.
Top 6.
Suyncll Pressure Washer, 3,800 PSI Electric Power Washer, 2,000 W High Pressure Washer, Professional Washer Cleaner with 4 nozzles, soap bottle and hose reel. Best for cleaning cars, driveways, patios. 2,000 W Powerful Motor. Generates up to 3,800 psi at 2.6 GPM for superior cleaning power. A 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord allow for flexible use in large areas. The Suyncll Pressure Washer for cleaning cars, bicycles, fences, patios, sidewalks, sidings, garden, yard, outdoor furniture, and more. Save your time and money. Please remember to empty the air in the hose before use. Otherwise, the pressure of the washing machine will not reach the standard. Upgraded leak-proof connections. Professional metal garden hose double leak-proof connector and metal water outlet. Metal brass adapter prevents the breaking from the bottom of the area instead of flimsy plastic connector. Comes with a 20 FT high-pressure hose.
Top 5.
Greenworks PW, 1,800 PSI 1.1 GPM Electric Pressure Washer, 1,800 psi 1 GPM, 13 amp universal motor, onboard soap tank, 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets, quick connect wand with 15 deg, 25 deg, 40 deg and soap nozzles, 20-foot high-pressure hose on reel.
Top 4.
Stanley SHP 2150 Electric Pressure Washer with Spray Gun, Quick Connect Nozzles Foam Cannon, 25 hose, max size 2150, 1.4 GPM, high pressure foamer included. The specially designed detergent bottle doubles as a high pressure foamer to get tough stuff loose or remove deep down stains. Powerful cleaning force. Perfect for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, garbage cans, animal cages, and more. Leak-proof connections. Professional grade brass garden hose connector and 22 mm connections. The connection of choice for professional level acceptance.
Top 3.
Briggs & Stratton 020681 2000 PSI, 1.2 GPM Electric Pressure Washer, 2000 psi, 1.2 GPM, red gray titanium, hose length, 300 inches, power source type, corded electric.
Top 2.
Greenworks Pro 2300 Max PSI, 2.3 GPM, 14 amp, Brushless Electric Pressure Washer GW 2300. Performance tested and rated in accordance with PWMA standards. 2300 PSI and 2.3 GPM brushless pressure washer for efficient cleaning of residential areas. Ideal for medium-duty projects, including but not limited to cleaning patio furniture, grills, walkways, and vehicles. Digital control brushless motor for more torque, longer runtime, quiet operation, and longer life. JetFlow technology delivers up to 50% more flow, reaching up to 20 feet to provide maximum cleaning power.
Top 1.
Craftsman CMEPWA 2400 MAX PSI Electric Cold Water Pressure Washer. Powerful cleaning, 2400 max PSI and 1.1 GPM up to second floor reach. Clean with soap. Integrated soap tank helps give it a great clean. Onboard storage. storage organization for nozzles, hose, cord, and wand to keep accessories organized, long-lasting performance. 25 FT kink-resistant hose helps reduce hassle and provides long-lasting performance. All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.